Hey guys, how's it going? It's Eduardo Lardo Plays again with the Ioniq 5. So today I want to showcase the user profiles. Someone requested that, and kind of maybe top 3 settings that I found in the infotainment center that was really useful. So the first thing is I wanted to show you the profiles. So the profiles basically keep all the driver settings in place for each driver. So for example, for me, I like only having the driver only on the fan. But my wife, let's say for example, I change the user, she likes having it on both sides. So when that changes and you go back to climate, you can actually see that is actually already off. So that's pretty interesting. So obviously you also have all your other stuff, like what type of Bluetooth devices are connected, what BlueLink account. I'll show you that right now. So, which type of Bluetooth devices or BlueLink account. And you can actually also change your profile picture if you want, but there's not much really that you can pick from. I just picked the one that looked like a cool car. All right, so that's the user profiles. Now, the first setting I found that was super useful was the theme setting. If you go to the settings, screen theme, you can actually schedule your time of when the black theme comes during the day or during the night. Essentially, you want it during night driving, right? So you can press schedule time, and you can start the time, let's say 7 p.m. to 8 a.m. Essentially, if it's too bright, you can also adjust your brightness settings here, and the tablets will auto dim when your headlights are on. But again, if you like the night mode, which is, I'll showcase that, which is a lot less bright than the white theme, so which is pretty good. So just remember, it's in settings. You can schedule the time to automatically switch it to black theme. Okay, now the second thing is sometimes I like to recirculate air, or now obviously there's still a lot of ICE cars on the road. Sometimes they spew out a lot of emissions and you don't want to breathe that in. And if you've noticed, if you press that, it actually turns off by itself after a while. So what you can do is go to your climate. On the right hand side, your settings, uncheck auto dehumidify and smart ventilation. This will keep it on the whole time and won't turn off by itself, but every time you start the car, it will be off automatically by default. So if you want to recirculate air, you have to press that every time you start the car. Now the third setting I like is it's kind of hidden. Now remember, this is kind of like an Android tablet or like a Apple tablet. There's also a menu button, and a lot of settings are kind of hidden in that menu button. I like the eco driving. This is just a history of your kilowatt hour per 100K efficiencies of each drive. So I thought this was pretty cool, and you can kind of gauge how well you're driving or how not well you're driving through the history. So that's it for today. This is the Ioniq 5, the Hyundai Ioniq 5. So if you have any questions, please comment below, and I'll try and make a video if it makes sense. All right, thanks guys, and see ya next time.